advantage of routines is that, and very powerful part of routines is that routines can update other date fields, and those date fields can then execute additional routines. In this case, I'm having the date field for office hours being updated, so it's updating itself and starting it itself again. So each time, the problem with yours, mine is a weekly thing on every week. For yours, it may be on a different day of the month, because every month is a little bit different. So that's not exactly the same apples to apples. But the same concept goes that once your routine is done and you put a new date in that date field, it will then start that routine again. That's the point that I want to be clear. And that
Mhm.
does, that's there.